This is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set Opera as your default browsing app on this device. So first of all, you need to launch the settings. Next, enter the apps category. At the apps category, go for the choose default app section, browser app, and here simply select Opera, therefore setting it as your default app for browsing. There is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application itself, so let's go ahead and launch it. Here at the bottom right corner, tap on your avatar, then go for settings, scroll the page down for a little bit and tap on the default browser section, click on next, select Opera and choose to set it as default option. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.